Hi Voca fam, my name is Keriese Cowan and I make most of my own household cleaners using simple ingredients. I do this because a clean environment is so important to your health, and the products that you choose to clean with are getting into your system. They're being absorbed through your skin and they're being inhaled through your air. So I prefer to choose less harsh ingredients. So the benefits I get from this, for me the place feels clean but it doesn't feel heavy. You don't get that heavy chemical smell. I grew up with a lot of sinus problems and so I can't take very strong scents, and so that's definitely a plus for me. Also, if you want to switch to natural cleaners and you try to buy the items that are branded as natural or organic, it sometimes can cost you even more than the products you're used to buying. So I find this to be an affordable alternative. These are items you can find at a supermarket, wholesale, corner shop. They're not hard to find. And as a bonus, if you have young children, this is an easy way to get them involved in cleaning because the chemicals aren't very harsh. Basic items that I use are soap, vinegar, alcohol, peroxide, water, baking soda, and essential oils. From these, I get my all-purpose cleaner, which used for most surfaces in your home, floor cleaner, toilet cleaner, and glass cleaner. I have not replaced my laundry detergent yet, but that is an ongoing project. Soap removes dirt, oil, and grime, and it's gentle on most surfaces in your home. Vinegar, also known as acetic acid, is a solvent, meaning it dissolves dirt and grease. It's a deodorizer and also a disinfectant. Alcohol, like vinegar, is a solvent and disinfectant. Peroxide is a stain remover and whitener, also a good alternative to bleach. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a whitener, deodorizer, laundry booster, and a mild abrasive for when you need some scrubbing power. Essential oils smell nice, but they also have many different properties. There are so many to choose from, but there are a few I keep on hand. Peppermint and eucalyptus, which are invigorating, lavender, which is calming, and tea tree oil, which is antimicrobial and antiseptic, and we actually use that one more in our bathroom cleaners. Let's walk through a simple recipe for an all-purpose cleaner, which can be used to clean the majority of surfaces in your home.
So we have our repurposed spray bottle, 1 teaspoon dish soap, half a cup rubbing alcohol, optional, but it helps the solution to leave fewer streaks, 1.5 cups of water, and finally 10 drops essential oil of your choice. Take everything together.
If you want more tips and recipes for making your own cleaners, I highly recommend this book, Clean My Space by Melissa Maker. Everything in here is also available free on the Clean My Space YouTube channel. If you want to transition, I recommend doing one product at a time. So don't try to throw out everything. When the products that you've bought are finished, replace that one bottle at a time. And remember, keep your environment clean. It affects your health. Bye Vocal fam. It was my pleasure sharing with you today.